Today we're doing a make-your-own takeout chicken and kimchi stir fry. Wait for it, with bacon and egg fried rice. Yeah. So for the bacon and egg fried rice, I started out by cooking up 1.5 cups of rice. Brown or white rice. I used brown rice because I like the flavor of it with the bacon and the eggs. Then I browned up some bacon. The bacon comes out, I leave a couple tablespoons of the drippings in the pan. Then I whisk up some eggs with salt and pepper, 4 eggs for 4 to 5 cups of cooked, cooled rice. And then I scramble the eggs in the bacon fat and take them out of the pan. Then we're gonna take the same pan, we're making the fried rice and the stir-fried chicken all in one skillet, one giant skillet, or a wok if you have one, obviously. Now we're gonna coat the bottom of the pan evenly with a couple tablespoons of high-temperature cooking oil. Finely chopped onion and garlic first, then your rice. And you can kind of stir-fry it all together. These tiny little bits of onion are gonna cook in no time. And stir-fry, you want it to be nice and crunchy. So onion and garlic, brown rice, salt and pepper on the rice. Then you mix back in the scrambled eggs and the bacon and some green onions. So good. And we top that with our cold brown rice. When we come back, we'll make the chicken stir fry in the very same pan. So this is gonna come out, go in a serving bowl, cover it to keep it warm. In the exact same pan, we're gonna make the chicken stir fry right after this. In the pan that you make the browned rice in, brown up 1 pound of white or dark meat chicken. We're cooking that in some high temp oil. Here's the rice when it's done. I'm keeping it warm under a lid here. But the rice was finished by adding back into the fried rice with the onions and garlic. Remember, we added back in the bacon and eggs. It's bacon and egg fried rice. And we added in some scallions for color and to just, I don't know, make it look pretty. I finish it with a splash of dry sherry or zhaoxing, which is Chinese sherry, which I always have in the pantry. A little sprinkle of sugar or light brown sugar. I used a sprinkle of light brown sugar and a little tamari or soy sauce. Same pan, brown your chicken. Once the chicken is brown, add leeks, couple of big leeks to the pan. Then we're using both ginger and garlic. They're best friends. They like to go everywhere together. And we're using Napa. This is Napa, okay? It's really quick cooking, 1 small Napa, and then we'll mix in 1 small jar of strained kimchi. And you can buy it spicy. It only comes spicy, really, but you can also buy it super spicy if you like things extra hot. Now, in this stir fry, our sauce is made out of gochujang. This is in every grocery store in America. It's fermented Korean chili paste. It's on the Asian foods aisle. And what's great about it is it's sweet and spicy. And again, you can get this mild, medium, or extra hot. 2 big tablespoons of that. A good fat splash of soy sauce. A little sesame oil. A little sesame seed, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of that. A little splash of fish sauce, or just adjust your soy to your taste. That's it. I'm gonna just keep this stir frying. When we come back, we'll put this all together. So, here's how we roll. We're gonna take our bacon and egg, fried rice, fill up our bowl. I also have the kimchi chicken stir fry with that sweet and spicy chili paste and the chicken. No. And then what really brings it home is I take an egg, throw it in a skillet, a little salt and pepper on your egg, and then this turns into a beautiful brunch, lunch, or dinner, make your own takeout. Pop him over here, and you mix in the egg while you're eating that whole delicious, beautiful mess. Done!